Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload photos on Pinterest step by step. Whether we want to share our ideas, promote content, or create inspiring boards, this tutorial is for us. On the Pinterest dashboard, if we want to upload an image, it's easy and simple. All we need to do is find the camera logo. The upload image icon is in the search bar. It can also be found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Once we see it, all we need to do is click the upload image icon. Here, we just need to select the image we want to upload. For example, let's upload this image. Once that is done, there we go. We have successfully uploaded our image. This process helps us upload photos on Pinterest from our phone or computer. It also walks us through creating a pin, adding an image, writing a description, and saving it to the right board. And that's it. Now we know how to upload photos on Pinterest.